On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Facebook code not receiving in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone right here and then go to the apps, and after that you will find all the apps that you have on your phone on this page. Now all what you have to do is click on Facebook, and after that all what you have to do now is open this option. Go to it, it's called open by default, and now click here on open supported link on this app, and then choose always allow, and after that go back again and open the storage, and then click on clear data. And yeah, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.